So this is the sunset here in Agcararao Mountain View. There is a Banwasang Pasig City. So there you can view I think that is the mountainous part of the province of Antique and Lambunaw and the municipality of Lambunaw. Then if mag-base kita diri sa ilang direction map na mga direction, it pointed that this part is San Enrique, that part is Banate, this part is Kalinog, and may dagat ka di makita, no? Kagina actually may galabay na nga barko, that is the parts northern parts ang Negros, I think ang tapas diri ang Lambunaw dito. And also makita ta diri ang Banwa